Shiny design. Small and cute plus the design of bling, it looks dazzling like a gem, very attractive. If you install it in your car, it will become a landscape in the car. High quality. Made of durable rust-free silver chrome metal, very durable and will not have an unpleasant smell, cute and good quality. Easy to install. Each crystal ring has tape, which can provide you with convenient installation. Just peel off one side of the tape and stick it to the halo, then peel off the other side of the tape and fasten it tightly to the button-on. Caution. This circle may cover the sensor of 2020 Honda Civic, 2019 Toyota Highlander and some other model. If your car won't start, take this keyring off. The car sticker on the car may not be suitable for some car models. Before buying, please check the diameter of the ignition button in the car to ensure that our car crystal rhinestone ring can perfectly fit your car. Strong stickiness. Our product uses good quality glue, you don't have to worry about it falling off after sticking it. Top reviews from the United States. Glitter. Love this, price was good, adds a little shimmer around start button. I would buy again.